Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can open the task manager by just simply doing a simple process. So please make sure that you finish watching this video till the very end. Let's get started. And to open the task manager, all we need to do is just to go to our keyboard, and there we need to press the keys Control, Shift, and Escape key. And once you do that, you will be able now to open the task manager window. And let me just close this one. Another thing is you can also press Control Alt Delete, and then you will be able to see the task manager options in your window. We have here the lock, switch user, sign out, and task manager. So once you click on task manager, you will now be able to open the task manager window. And another thing is to make a right click here in our Windows icon. And then once you do that, you will see many options here. So please click on task manager, and then you will be able to see the task manager window coming up on your screen. Okay, so let me just close this one. Next thing is to open the run window. So we can do that by pressing Windows R key altogether in our screen, or we can just simply make a right click again in the Windows icon and then go click on run option here, and you will now be able to open the run window. So once this run window is open, here we can type task mgr. It's task mgr, and then click on OK or enter, and you will now be able to see or open the task manager window. And for the last one, it's very easy. So let me just close this one. And for the last one, just go to your taskbar, and then there make a right click, and then you will be able to see the task manager options and taskbar settings. So please click on task manager option, and again you will be able to open the task manager window in your device. And let me just close this one. Okay, so that's a very easy and simple process, as you know. So please don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you learned something, and if you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.